Free-range chicken farming is a rewarding and sustainable way to produce eggs and meat while promoting ethical treatment of animals and reducing the environmental impact. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable farming, focusing on one of the most popular practices, free-range chicken farming. If you've ever wondered about raising happy and healthy chickens while promoting a more ethical and eco-friendly approach to farming, this video is for you. Welcome to Business Bloom, the ultimate destination for aspiring entrepreneurs, business enthusiasts, and industry professionals. Let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of free-range chicken farming, let's briefly explain what it actually means. Free-range chickens are raised in a more natural environment, allowing them to roam freely outdoors, explore, and forage for food. This practice contrasts with conventional factory farming, where chickens are kept in confined spaces. There are numerous benefits to adopting a free-range chicken farming system. Firstly, it provides a healthier and more humane environment for the chickens. They have access to sunlight, fresh air, and the ability to express natural behaviors like dust bathing and scratching. Secondly, free-range chickens have a more varied and nutritious diet due to foraging. This results in eggs and meat with higher nutritional value. Additionally, the chickens are less stressed, which can positively impact their overall health and well-being. If you're considering starting a free-range chicken farm, there are essential factors to consider for success. Let's go over some of them. Adequate space. Free-range chickens require ample space to roam and forage. Aim for at least 250 square feet per bird to ensure they don't become overcrowded. Secure enclosure. While they roam freely, providing a secure enclosure at night protects them from predators and ensures their safety. Proper nutrition. A balanced diet is crucial for healthy chickens. Supplement their foraging with high-quality feed containing essential nutrients. Water supply. Access to clean and fresh water at all times is vital for their well-being. Sustainable farming is all about minimizing the environmental impact while maintaining productivity. Here are some sustainable practices for free-range chicken farming. Rotational grazing. Implementing rotational grazing helps the land regenerate and prevents overgrazing in certain areas. Natural pest control. Introduce beneficial insects or use natural repellents to control pests, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. Composting. Turn chicken manure into valuable compost for fertilizing crops, completing the nutrient cycle. Like any farming endeavor, free-range chicken farming comes with its challenges. Let's discuss some common issues and tips to overcome them. Predator protection. Secure enclosures and guardian animals can deter predators effectively. Weather considerations. Extreme weather can be challenging for free-range chickens. Provide shelter options to protect them from harsh conditions. Disease prevention. Regular health checks and maintaining good hygiene are essential to prevent diseases. Free-range chicken farming is a rewarding and sustainable way to produce eggs and meat while promoting ethical treatment of animals and reducing the environmental impact. Remember, it's essential to prioritize the well-being of the chickens to ensure a successful and thriving farm. Remember to research and consult local experts or agricultural authorities before starting any farming venture. Regulations and best practices may vary depending on your location. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with others who might be interested in free-range chicken farming. Until next time, stay curious and keep farming sustainably.